how to change your PNC card PIN online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to change your PNC debit or credit card PIN, well, in today's video, I'll show you how you can do it quickly online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the PNC Bank. Now here make sure that you're logged in your account, and here once logged in you can simply click on customer service at the top menu and then select debit/ATM card services or credit card services depending on your card type. And here you can just click on change PIN next to the card you want to update and enter your current PIN. And once you're done with that, you simply have to enter your new PIN and then confirm it. And once you have done entering your PIN, you just have to click submit, and your new PIN will be activated and will be ready to use. So here you can choose a PIN that's hard to guess and avoid birthdays and repeated digits on your PIN. And that's it. That's how you can change your PNC card PIN online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.